Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to make this quick so that way you don't have to listen to me talk. I got a Genie half horsepower screw drive. Right there's a model number. And here's the issue we're having with it. Check this out. Yeah, super noisy. And super greasy. But here we go. Yeah, it just blows past this limit here. You know, once it hits this arm, it's supposed to shut off, and it's just not doing it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change out that limit switch, and we'll see what happens. All right, got the new limit switch on there. Nice. You know, you can go on Amazon, type in Genie limit switch or limit flipper switch, and I don't think they're too expensive at all. I mean, it's an easy fix if that's the problem, and you know, save you some money and get you back up rolling. So let's give it a go. Contact. Bingo, bad limit switch. So basically it was blowing by this. The trolley is continuing back, you know, smacking into this, the stopper right here and causing the trolley to grind. You know, if you get that nasty grinding noise, a lot of times, you know, if it's shutting off from the switch and you're getting that grinding noise, go ahead and change this guy out because there's teeth inside of there and they get wore down. But in this case, limit switch wasn't cutting it off, smacking into the back of the stopper bolt, grinding away. That's it, nice and easy. I'm gonna clean this guy up. I'm gonna lube it up a little bit. Thanks for watching, peace out.